Overhead tricep extension. With the overhead tricep extension in the standing position, you've got both dumbbells in your hand. You go into that overhead extension with your arms fully pressed out up overhead, and then you're dropping those hands down, bending at the elbow, forcing the triceps to decelerate that movement or do the eccentric part of the movement, and then pressing it up overhead in that tricep extension, right? Engaging the triceps. If you don't have the requisite mobility, you may find it's a little bit easier to bring those elbows forward. Also, you may find it's a little bit easier to press those dumbbells together and hold a neutral grip with the dumbbells as you do the tricep extension.